We'll guide you through how to make your budget mic sound professional in OBS Studio. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Look at the bottom right corner and just go ahead and click on Settings. In the setting window, at the left hand panel, just go ahead and click on Audio. Now just go ahead and find the microphone auxiliary section. Just go ahead and click on it. Now here, select your microphone from the list. If you don't see your microphone, unplug it and plug it back or restart OBS. Also make sure your drivers are installed properly. And after that, just go ahead and select your microphone. And once selected, click on Apply and then click on OK. Now you should see your microphone in the audio mixer section. When you speak, you will notice the green and yellow bars moving. This means OBS is detecting your voice correctly. Let's move on to microphone placement, which is one of the most important parts of good audio quality. And let's go ahead and close this window. Even the best settings cannot fix bad placement. Your microphone should be placed about 4 to 6 inches away from your mouth. This distance keeps a clean sound without too much background noise or distortion. If you don't have a microphone arm, you can place your mic on a stable object like a box or stack of book to bring it closer to your face. The goal is to keep it steady and at mouth level. Also make sure you are speaking in the correct side of your microphone. Many beginners make the mistake of speaking in the wrong direction, which makes the audio sound muffled or distant. If your microphone has a front side, speak directly to it, and if it is a top address microphone, speak in top of it. Checking the manual can help you if you are unsure. Now, let's improve the sound using filters inside OBS. In the audio mixer, just click on your drop down and here, just go ahead and click on Filters. Now, we will start with the compressor. Click on the plus icon just like so and just go ahead and add a compressor. After that, you can go ahead and specify the name and click on OK. This helps balance your voice by making loud sounds quieter and quiet sound louder. It keeps your audio consistent so you don't sound too loud when shouting or too quiet when speaking softly. Set compressor roughly like this. You can set the ratio to around 4 and you can set the attack to around 2. You can set the release to 100 and you can leave output gain default for now. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and minimize this just like so I can see my audio levels. Now speak normally and then whisper and then speak loudly. Adjust the settings until your voice stays balanced without clipping into red level. The goal is to keep your normal speaking voice in a good green to yellow zone. Now let's add another filter. Just go ahead and click on the plus icon and now let's add an expander. Specify the name of the filter and click on OK. This helps reduce background noise like keyboard clicks or room sound when you are not speaking. Set the expander ratio to around 4. So I'm just going to go ahead and increase it and set it to somewhere around 4. And you can leave the attack and release as default for now. Now slowly adjust the threshold until the background noise becomes less noticeable but your voice still sounds natural. And as you can hear your own voice, you can just go ahead and play around with the settings until you find your perfect spot. Now let's add a noise suppression. Just click on the plus icon once again and just go ahead and add noise suppressor and just go ahead and click on OK. Now OBS usually give option depending on your system. You can test it. Now comes one of the most powerful steps, EQ or equalization. This is what gives your microphone a more professional tone. To do this, you need to install a free plugin called as RIA EQ. And now let's install RIA plugs. Just go ahead and go to any browser to your liking and now in the search bar, just go ahead and search for www.reaper.fm/RIA plug and hit enter. And now once that you have done that, you will land in this website. Now just go ahead and go to download RIA plug and select the option that best fits your system. I'm just gonna go with 64-bit. So just go ahead and click on it. And as for me, I have already downloaded the RIA plug installer. So I'll just go ahead and click on it to run the installation. Just click on yes if prompted. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and click on I agree. And now click on next. Now when installing RIA plug, make sure the VST plugin location is set exactly to this. Just go ahead and go to browse and then go to this PC, go to local disk C. And now here, just go ahead and go to program files. Just expand the program files, and then expand common files. And now just go ahead and click on make new folder and rename the folder exactly to VST2 and click on OK. After that, just go ahead and select the folder and click on OK. And after that, just go ahead and click on install. And now the installation has complete. Now let's reinstart OBS Studio. And after restarting, just go to your filters once again. Just click on the drop down and go to filters. And now click on the plus icon and you will see VS2 plugin. Just go ahead and click on that and click on OK. And once that you have done that, just go ahead and click on the drop down. And here select rear EQ standalone. Just like so. And I click on open plugin interface. And now here you will land in this interface. Inside the EQ, you will see frequency band. The left side controls bass, which is low voice tone, and the right side controls treble, which is sharpness and clarity. If your voice sounds too thin, slightly increase the bass. To do that, just go ahead and drag this slider at the left hand side and increase it just like so. And if it sounds dull, slightly increase the clarity on the higher frequency just like so, and slowly listen carefully. You can also reset everything. Just right click on it and choose to reset all bands if you make any mistakes. Just go ahead and close it, and once that you have done that, just go ahead and click on close. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.